back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to redeem Tim Hortons Point. So in order to redeem your Tim Hortons Point, you just have to follow these steps. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that you already have an account and then to be redeemed for the reward at participating. Now, Tims Reward Point can be redeemed for rewards at participating restaurants in Canada or for statement credit card on a Tims Mastercard. Now, terms and conditions apply. What is the statement credit? Is that a statement? Now, a statement credit allows you to apply Tims reward point to eligible transactions on your Tims Mastercard, and with that you should be able to get certain amount of discount. Likewise, once you have earned the requested number of points for a selected level during your next transaction at a participating US Tim Hortons location, using your card to order an eligible menu items at the selected level and eligible redemption transaction, your points will be automatically redeemed to receive the reward. So that's how you can redeem Tim Hortons Point. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.